Look at this BMW. Front damage. It's a 2019 X5. Airbag deploy. Let's see where you start this thing at. Where's the button? Here's the key. Oh, battery is dead. Airbags are out. No, she's not. I wouldn't mess with this one. I wouldn't. Even though that's the damage on it, I don't see no more damage on this. That's the only damage, and all the airbags pretty much went out. Right there you can see damage right here. That spot right there. Not bad. Somebody who has a body shop, yeah, go ahead, fix it. I mean, oh, you know, I always wanted to check one of these out. The Genesis, this is a 3.8 with 149,000 miles. That's the damage in the front. Right there, the hood. So look at this thing. That's pretty cool. It's a Genesis, and this is doesn't even say the year. I know 149,000 miles. And I'm not going. It stinks in there. Oh my God, my nose. Like acid. You know, like acetone. I know the camera is everywhere. I'm new to this. I have to figure out how to make a living now. Whoa, there's a wasp. Get away from me, wasp. Yeah. Market. You know something? I'm not going to beat myself up. You know why? Because I did what millions will never do. I went for my dreams. And I'm not quitting. The universe got it. The universe got it. It's all good. It's all good. I didn't expect for what happened in the financial system in America to happen. Like, I really didn't. Well, you live and you learn, you get better, wiser. Oh, we already got these right here. Why am I coming over here again? Let's go see if we can find out. I'm looking for a Mercedes C-Class that I saw. Let's go see if we can find it. Look at this Audi. This is beautiful. Wow, this is a beautiful car. Like, truly. The person's ID is there. I hope they're okay. Here, no blood on it. Let's see. There's even an airbag in the bottom. Look at this thing. It brings an airbag in the bottom. How you start this thing? Our battery is dead. But this is a. I'm looking at the. This is a. I'll get the year later. I'll put it up. But it has 94,000 miles. I don't know. Right there, little bit of damage. This is the only damage in this thing. Other than that, this car is pretty cool. There's no damage in the back. The tail is up. I don't know what that means. Let's check the engine. Woo! V6, TF, whatever that means. What it hit right here. You see? You see how this is pushed in right here? So it pushed it in. This can be pulled out. This can be fixed. If she runs, this can be fixed. It's a beautiful car. It's an A7. Mercedes-Benz. 2011. Yeah, she catch fire. She's burned. That's an Audi. there's not really a lot of exotic cars over here. Just the Porsche, the Maserati, and a lot of damaged cars. But like if you really want to see like Lamborghinis and stuff, you gotta go like to California, Miami, Florida, places like that. But I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna make a list. I'm gonna go on the computer and I'm gonna make a whole list where every car is at, the ones that I want to see, and I can come back and just go straight to this car because look at all the mud. We've been getting rain for almost a week over here now. So yeah, it happens, you feel me? And I'm walking through the mud right now making this video for all of you. But go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and thanks for supporting me. And again, stock market got me, $132,000 I owed to someone. So again, we can do it. Never give up. Keep going for your dreams. And like I say, when one door closes, another one opens. Even though if the floor is muddy, I'm gonna get this channel flying because we all love cars. And as soon as I can get the funds that I need for like gasoline and stuff, I can fix my Dodge Neon. I'm doing the head work on it, and I can go down like to Florida, and I can record some Lamborghinis and Ferraris and stuff for y'all. So thanks for supporting and sticking with me for all these years. Don't worry, never give up. We make it. Thanks for watching. It's Michael.